Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. The next one, the integration of sine as. We have negative 1 over a cosine as. The next one, the integration of as plus b to the power of c. We have as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a multiplied by c plus 1, and I will put about c, and this is about the constant. Now for this one, we have s to the power of 4 over 4, because number 3 plus 1 we have 4, and you got this one, the integration of sine 3s, but we have the negative with negative in here, you got about positive, so we have 1 over 3 cosine 3s. This one we can change into 1 minus 2s to the power of negative 1 over 2, because the square root represent about 1 over 2. If we put this one go to numerator, we have the negative sign in here. And now we can apply this formula for this one. And now we have the final answer. And this one we have positive 1 over 2. This one we have positive 1 over 2. Negative number 2 with 1 over 2, we have negative number 1. And then I will put this negative gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.